Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make an easy and effective fat melter drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium till the end. When the water comes to a boil, add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let this boil for 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Now it's nicely boiling and the essence of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Go with good quality of cinnamon for best results. Cinnamon helps with weight loss by increasing insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. It helps with reduction of fat storage and promotes fat burning. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps reduce inflammation. Cardamom is a very healthy ingredient. It is high in antioxidants, contains cancer fighting properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, protects from chronic disease, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities, have antibacterial effects, improves breathing and oxygen use, lowers blood sugar levels, protects your livers and helps in weight loss. Fennel seeds are high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, manganese, potassium and magnesium. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It also has cancer fighting properties. It's been 5 minutes, off the flame and strain it to a mug like this. You can reuse the cinnamon cloves to make another batch of this drink. You can consume this drink as such or also you can include some honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melter drink is ready to consume. Very simple to make and very effective. Have this drink first thing in the morning in empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in your body weight in just few days. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.